Hello there, it's Alexander here from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to be working with Royce. Royce is one of our new wigs from the Amore Collection. This is Ice Blond, which is just stunning, so you can just see all that gorgeous tone. So today what am I going to do for you? I'm going to do 3 different looks with Royce today. This is Royce here. So Royce is long, she's layered, she's got a lot of movement and this gorgeous natural wave pattern. So what I'm going to do, first off, I've got my René of Paris wire brush. I'm going to brush Royce through. So although you may like that curl pattern as it is, some people prefer a slightly smoother curl pattern. So I like both, in fairness, just depends on who's wearing it. So if you did want that slightly smoother, you can go through with the René of Paris brush. I'm just going through just gently, and look at that length in Royce. I mean, she really is something beautiful. We've got that lace part, and the beauty with Ice Blond is we get all those lovely blondes running through in there. So first off, it's getting warmer, the weather's getting a bit better, so we're going to want not necessarily all this hair on our face. So I'm going to show you how to wear Royce just by taking the hair away from the face and just having a little bit of fun. Ladies and gents, if you are thinking about starting to style wigs, make sure that you have everything there with you. You know, I mean, I've been hairdressing quite a long time and I always have all my equipment. So I always have this, I always have the brushes and all the rest of it. And if you need it, get the René of Paris, you know, the different shampoos and the hairsprays, and these really help. So first, I'm going to section the areas that I want out the way. I've got these bands here, and I'm going to put like so. You then just take another band, you see, like so. So this is really a super simple style, guys, because I'll just get a little bit more adventurous as I go along. So I'm going all the way down this way. We're going to leave that at 3 bands. Then we're just going to do the same on this side. So then from the front, she should look a little bit like this. Just pull a few areas out to give us a little bit of body. And do the same here. So from the front, she looks a little bit like this. So I'll just get 2 bobby pins. Just going to take that 3rd elastic and I put the bobby pin through the elastic, take that through and then tuck that out of the way. The bands aren't a feature, so I've got these little pins here which either hide the bands or add to it. Now I have seen it when ladies have put different coloured material around or different cotton, or coloured bands, if that's what you'd like to do. We're going to build it up with some of these red beads. Look 1, dotted a few of these round, just did that with some ponies, then I broke the ponies up, accent of colour with the red. That's look 1 on Royce. So we're coming to look 2 now, which is a knotted look that I'm going to do. So I've kept all the lovely detail in the front from look 1. But look 2, you don't even have to have any of that stuff in the front from look 1. But I'm just going to show you a knotted look, which you'll see more apparent afterwards. It's like a waterfall knot, so it looks a bit like a waterfall braid, but with stunning detailing. You've got this one strand with 2 fingers. I put that round, push this round like this, look. 2 fingers, and the ends of the hair through, and then turn this into a knot. And the first one, just slide the bobby pin across, and we let those ends just come pop out for that detail. So then you're going to follow up the same all the way through. Okay. Tie the hair in a bit of a knot. Bump these 2 next to each other. I've finally finished up on look number 2. So here's look number 2. So I did this beautiful up style using all these knots and then put these really magical red pearls in there. Look number 1, if you remember, was just using the bands just to scrape the look off the face, just little bands, little pearls. And then I thought I'd incorporate it with this nice up style that is in, you know, this look 2. So that is like a knotted up style, if you like. For my third and final style, I'm gonna do a little sideward kind of twist. I'm gonna take a stronger band because there's more hair. So what we're left with, ladies and gents, is a beautiful sideward pony. I've got one of these, which are fabulous, and see how that's holding the ponytail. And then watch this, ladies and gents. So I just work that through. So just see what I'm doing. I'm just working that through a little bit. I'm going to take this one again. And the hair through here, look. That through. You see, it gives you this kind of stunning effect. The little topsy tail, which just allowed us to run these ends through, which worked really nicely. Just using a few of these little pins, which are called securing pins, if you're wondering. I'm just going to peel that back, just off her face, just a little bit, and turn that into that kind of little quiff effect, which looks really, really nice. So again, I'm going to take bobby pin. I pin the bobby pin underneath the base. I think I'm going to add another, quite like this red today. I'm feeling the red today. So I'm going to just add a couple of these red pearls. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're at our final look. The sideward, it's a sideward chignon really. That's kind of a chignon, all that detail coming in there with a little bit of a kind of rock quiff going in. I mean, that again could be very bridal. Could be a bridesmaid. It could, you know, be something to wear at the office. It could be something to wear out with the girls. Very feminine, very pretty, almost a bit classical really, but really simple. So look number 1 was just the sides up and out the way using the little red pearls. Look number 2, we did the knotted up style. And look number 3, a little sideward chignon, which looks stunning. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've been working with Royce in Ice Blond. Royce is one of the new styles from Amore, and it is fantastic. Please direct messages, let us know which is your favourite. Let us know if you do get Royce, what you think to it. And please always follow us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. So from all of us here at René of Paris and Aderans, thank you for joining us and thank you for tuning in. See you soon.